Now test case should pass now. Main test case here. Can you see the test case is passed here? Assert dot equals assert dot not equals. Any doubt here? Most of the people, most of they will assert dot asserts equal only because they will check each and everything which is case sensitive. So most of them they are sometimes they wanted to verify which is not equal. So in that case, so this will how where it will help you, right? Assert dot assert not equals. So we can use, for example, if you wanted to uh, uh, inverse, if for example to and from you are searching, so to and from both should not be equal, right? For example, you are searching for going to travel somewhere, you are checking to and from source and destination should not be the same places, right? While you are searching anything, bus or flight, train, so that time it will help. If you wanted to, it should not be the same value. In that case, you can make use of that assert dot assert not equal. Any doubt here? Assert dot assert not equals.
Now it's clear.
Yeah, now we'll see different method. One or two I will say others are, everything all are same. You can use different here. Assert dot assert equal is done, not equal also you learned. Yeah, assert true. Yeah, one more is there, assert true. So assert true will one more, just you wanted to check boolean condition. Exactly, this is when it will help you, right? For example, if you identified this web element, you assume that you will check whether element is what you call selected or displayed. It will returns a boolean value true. So for example, I will make you here only, I don't have any boolean b equal to, I'll give value as a true, just for your understanding purpose. So now I'll pass this one true. So this will pass only when returns a boolean value is true. It will check that condition. If boolean value is return is true, it will pass. Otherwise, it will fail this test case. Let's say I will run here. So when you wanted to boolean true or false, right? If you check whether element is selected, uh, drop down checkbox, not drop down, checks box, radio box, and one more it is there, right? Radio button. These all are things returns a boolean value. If it is boolean value returns true, then element is selected that. So that time you can verify this. Can you see it's passed? Now I will make this boolean value false. So you are using boolean true. Now I'll make this value as a false. This test case will fail because we are expecting as a true condition. We are expecting true, but it's returning as a false. Can you see it failed? Assert true, assert dot assert true. Now we'll go with other methods. These are all are same only. Just you have to see what method what is using. Assert true done right now. Assert dot. These are all same only. Just they given different exactly. That's it. String type there is. Assert true. This assert the same exactly where they will assert null, where they will use, right? These are like some they wanted to compare object type, that reference that will be different. That time they will use exactly. But as of now, one more is there. Assert dot equals not equals assert true, assert false also it is there. I felt. Let's see. Yeah. Yeah. Assert false, what it will do, right? So it is expecting a condition as a false if it is provided what you call inverse of this assert true. That's it. This if you understood. If you required true condition. If it required a true, it will fail exactly. Now I'll pass this fail. Let's see whether it will pass or fail. Can you see? It got failed. So it's a false. It's a required false, but you are passing a true. Now I will false, so it will fail. The test case will pass. Can you see? Yeah, now test case is pass. I think this enough for, I feel this much is enough for this hardware assertion. Let's see where is anything is there available. If possible, I will check. Assert equal, assert false, assert not true. Assert dot. Let's see. Assert true. We covered. This is same condition. If you wanted to put a string message that as I told, right? First same thing. Assert true also same thing. This assert same, this is it will use for object comparison when there are two classes. If you wanted to compare those kind of a scenario, they will use normal. I can't show you them this with example. This assert same, assert also, and this assert null. So it's a if you want, I can show again same. I will create one object, I type as a it's a null, then it will show. That time it can use assert not object. Yeah, anything is there here? Yeah, this much is enough actually. These many only are available. Assert, this is a hardware assert we learned. Now I will told you that there is also software assertion is also available. What is mean by soft assert? I told difference between hard assert and soft assert, right? If assertions fail, next line of a code won't execute. In soft assertion, next line of a code will also it will execute. The syntax again here, this for also same. How we have to write, right? First you have to create object of a soft assert, like soft assert. Just a minute. New soft. So, like this object you have to create. Now after that, if you go here, assert, same thing. You use this reference variable. Sorry, assert dot assert equals. Can you see? It will say same. Now I will give show only one example. See my actual result. Where is this? So before I will show you, I will run two assertion method. First assertion I will fail you. Then second assertion it won't execute. Just a minute. Just to observe the scenario. Now what I'm doing, right? First assertion I'm making fail. This assertion it won't execute. You will just for hard assertion, first assertion I will make you. This second assertion it won't execute. Just will run and see. Nobody will use soft assertion, but for your learning purpose I'm telling, everybody will use hard assertion only. They wanted to confirm actual and see. Can you see? The test case failed here only. This assertion didn't executed only. Now I will make this test cases pass, then both assertion will also will run. Let's say refresh. If I can. I'll run here only. Now you can see that Boolean condition also it will execute. Can you see now test cases got executed here? This one. So now what I will make you write soft assertion we'll write now. So soft assertion, even though if test case is failed, the next test condition will execute. Now I will copy paste here. So I'm making a test case fail by writing here. If you see the both actual and expected result is there, the test case will execute still. If you see hard assertion, it will failed. That next line of code didn't execute. Here, that next line of code also it will execute.
Ratikant,
Yeah.
in soft assertion, there are parameter actual result two times
Oh, okay.
type.
Just a minute. I will paste this one only. Expected results. Or shall I print and show here exactly how I can show you that one? Not getting here. It's failing, but reporting how I will show you. Just a minute. Mm, how I can show you this? Okay, I will write this same statement 2 times so that you can understood. Second time it will execute here. Just what I'm writing, right? One more I'm writing here. Just expected one I'm writing. So I'm making second time test case for pass exactly. 2 times I'm writing same thing. First time I'm making fail. Second time I'm making a pass. So second time test cases will pass exactly. Let's see. Oh, sorry. I think I have to mention here. Don't execute. Yeah, this is a passing actually. So I wanted to, I will show you exactly. Now at least it should print it. Show. Mm, Oh, sorry, here only I'm making. Why? This is the first one. It is there. I didn't saw exactly. Let's see. Now you guys can see here. Making here it is there already. So there only it's failing. It is not coming here only. That I didn't saw. Can you see this test case passed here exactly? Even though here assertion failed. If you remember here that assertion failed here. If you see here, expected is a assertion failed first statement. Second statement passed. I will show. That's the reason. Soft assertion, even though assertion failed first line of code, it will execute next line of code. Hard assertion, it won't. Something is happening. You guys got right? Anything? Any doubt here with respect to expected this soft version and harder? Again, here also same. There are so many things are available exactly different. Like assert equals, assert not equals, assert true, assert false. So soft assert nobody will use. Hard assertion only will use. If somebody asks what is the difference between soft assert and hard assert, you can tell that. Soft assert, even if it will execute and go to the next line of code, whereas in that hard assertion, when assertion fail, it will stop and will skip to the next test case only. It won't execute the remaining available line of the code. So now we are done with what you call TestNG. I think we are done almost. There is a one more concept called uh, listeners, TestNG listeners. Basically, when we wanted to modify the reporting structure of a, now we are getting this default structure, right? What do you call? Now this is a default structure of a Selenium. If you wanted to modify this reporting structure, we can make use of a TestNG listeners. Actually, there that is a, I can tell you after framework also that one how it just we have to call one class exactly that TestNG listener class. So if you how you wanted to take a screenshot when test case passed or failed, how we can do in that case? We can write a TestNG listeners. There is a like a method called on test success failure. There we have to insert that our piece of code exactly. Any doubt till now? If you guys have any doubt with respect to, I think we covered almost all Selenium concept actually. Nothing only except this listeners is pending TestNG. The otherwise we can start writing a framework tomorrow class or Monday or also fine exactly. I wanted to at least continuous 2 hours to this framework. Otherwise you guys will lose what to call whatever I'm teaching that framework. This one again I have to explain. If you have continuous 2 hours, we can finish up in exactly at least 1.5 hour required minimum to write that framework continuous.
Yeah.
So we
Yeah.
can do on
So
Monday, right? If please to what you call three guys, if 3 days, if you have time, please at least brush up your concept in this one.
tomorrow is fine for me. Tomorrow
Yeah.
is fine.
Anything
So
fine to,
if you want, yeah,
sorry.
for me tomorrow is fine. Okay, if you wanna continue for 2 hours.
Yeah, for other people, how?
Tomorrow is also okay for me.
Yeah. Otherwise, if
Yes.
you anything is not fine, or Monday I will take a class exactly 2 hours continuously in that case. I wanted to brush up you guys the tomorrow class, tomorrow, day after tomorrow, this 2 days exactly, just little brush up. Same concept we are using Selenium framework. So just so that you guys understand quickly from starting how we are identifying web element, everything you guys little bit have take. Can you guys practice these 2 days? Monday I can start with framework class directly.
Sure.
Is that fine, right, for everyone?
Both
Yeah,
are
it's
okay.
fine.
Yeah, Monday will start
Yeah.
2 hours actually. Please available for at least minimum 1.5 hour exactly for framework class. So if you know, you should understood that first architecture, how that framework that at least to teach also for structure and all you guys, at least it will take some time. I will show you this structure in order to understand structure, and same thing to implement framework. Now it will take time exactly. That's the reason I wanted full concentration on how we are writing a framework. Then in that case, we'll meet on Monday, same timing, 7 to what you call 9 p.m.
Okay.
Yeah.
But Nathan, I have one question.
Yeah,
Like,
sure.
I wanted to know like how many class total like right now we need to finish
This
the whole automation.
this one more, this framework class tomorrow class. After that, I will take if Java basics, just how what to call Java basics, strings, this what you call strings, and some what
Yeah.
to oops concept basic, like what to mean by inheritance, how you can do, then method creation of a method, those kinds. That is a 1 or 2 class, maximum 3 class we will be able to finish. If you have any doubts, we can you can call me or one-on-one also. I can help you, or anytime if you want. Or if you
Yeah,
guys want
thanks
interview
a lot.
preparation also, we can do that also.
Yeah.
How they will ask questions and all.
Yeah.
Anything fine for me.
You guys doing great. Yeah, it's really nice. Yeah, thanks a lot.
Yeah. Yeah. Thanks all. We'll meet on Monday, 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. Fine. Yeah. Bye everyone.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.